Hello everyone, welcome to the Willow Saver family. Hope you're enjoying the videos I have uploaded so far. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we have a bat. It's a grey Nicholas bat. It has very severe toe damage, which we are going to have a look and repair. So one side of the toe is very severely damaged. Multiple pieces is coming out. It's only holding by the binding. Once we remove the binding and the scuff seat, I think we'll find multiple separate pieces. We'll have to work really harder on this one to get every piece aligned and then repair it properly. So let's start with removing the binding first. We'll see the extent of damage. So in this particular instance, I have decided to keep some of the scuff seat because wood fibers are very badly disintegrated. So it's better to keep it like this. We'll fix it first. We'll get the wood fibers joined together, and then eventually during the cleaning process we'll remove the scuff seat. So let's get started with the repair work. Let us remove the clamp and see the status. It has been clamped overnight. It's like about 24 hours. Usually glue needs about 24 hours to cure completely.